In the reception of City Quays 3, and here was actually the really cool things on the wall. That's supposed to be the undulation of like the river lagging, the tide and stuff. And this is supposed to be the old sails of the ships and stuff. So much attention to detail in this place. It's amazing.
Here we are at the City Quays 3 building in Belfast, and we're going to take a ride in the lifts here. There was actually something we were going to say about the lift, weren't we, to call it? I forgot.
You have to use your pass to call it?
Oh yeah, so you have to actually use a pass to call it, which is pretty cool. Never seen anything like that before.
See, so if you watch here, so when I scan my pass here, this will call a lift and it'll tell me what lift.
Oh yeah.
Alright?
Oh, we're getting B.
Yes, so that'll call it B, and then you walk through.
My phone just decided to stop.
You want to come through this way.
Oh.
You want to come through this
Yeah.
way.
Oh, she just got stuck.
You want to come through this way. We've got this one open for you.
I just got that on camera.
For you.
Oh wow, these are still being worked on here then?
Yes, so that side's being worked on, and what you're doing is we're going into lift A here.
Okay.
This
This is a notice.
Oh my goodness.
This is a notice lift. I think it's one of the newer Gen 2s actually.
It is. It's a Gen 2 stream.
Oh nice, these are.
These are one of the newest ones.
Yeah.
So I think there's only us and the Ewart building have
Okay,
these
so that's
types
a-
Oh,
of
right.
lifts.
This is amazing.
There you go.
Okay.
Yep.
Right. So we'll go up to the 14th floor.
The 14th floor.
Just press and hold it.
Oh, press and hold it.
Yeah. That's you. You've
There we
gone
go.
now.
Wow.
Oh wow, this lift is so fast.
Why do you have to press and hold it to get it to work?
It's just to get these particular doors because it's all on manual control.
Oh, right.
When you under normal control, see when you've scanned your little pass at the front.
Okay.
At the gates, when you come in, it'll just automatically send you up.
Oh,
But
wow.
it's just because we're in manual control.
Oh, that's cool.
You see the indicator?
Yeah.
Look, it's even got a weather map, Joseph.
Yeah, these newer Gen 2s do have this.
Yes. Right, that's you.
Okay.
So it
We're on the 14th floor now.
this one just brings you out the back because it's manual control.
Oh wow, there's a view. Wow.
You just lift your step down.
Okay. Wow, look at this.
So this is how the builders would leave it. So this is an unfinished floor.
Oh wow, check this out.
Okay.
This is one of the tallest buildings in the city. Look at this. Look at this view. This is incredible.
Pretty much near the all of Belfast up here.
Yes, you see Belfast Castle and Cave Hill all on that side.
Look, there's a train down there as well. Looks like a 3000. Wow. Oh, that's cool. See the train going past. Let's go around this way and see. So this is how the builders would have left it. This is unfinished. Wow. You really get like a 360 view of like everywhere around here. You can see the M2 building, not the M2 building, the M2 motorway. Look at that. Look how far down that goes. Thank you so much to the staff for letting us come in here and have a look at the lifts. This is amazing. Oh yeah, you could.
What you sometimes see as well is you can see the planes coming into the land and take off from the city airport on that side.
That is amazing. There's the City Quays 2, not the City Quays car park where we filmed a while ago, and the Marriott Hotel. If you haven't seen those videos, go check them out. Possibly might link them in the description, but if not, they're not uploaded too long ago as of recording, so you can check them out. I'm walking over to the other side of the building and get a look out to the other side. There's the River Lagan, there's the M3, and there's the Titanic, Belfast, and then there's the new loft lines apartments being built. And somewhere over here is you'll be able to see the Belfast City Airport really good. Assuming you look at it. These window frames are kind of getting in the way, so go over here. The airport is, there's IKEA. Yes, there's IKEA.
Oh yeah.
No aircraft look like they're landing at the moment, which is really unfortunate. That would have been so cool to see that on camera.
So this is how the builders would leave it. So this is an unfinished floor.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Look at this view. Pretty much near the all of Belfast up here.
Yes, you see Belfast Castle, Cave Hill, all on that side.
There's a train down there as well.
So this is how it look like apparently when the builders leave it. Interesting. Oh yeah. You can see the seaside complex over there as well. And you can just see how far up we are. Look at that. So you can pretty much see everything up here. It's an awesome view, so it is. And there's a view over to that side too. Oh, you really would, yeah. Seems like there's a cruise ship in at the moment getting maintenance done to it. Yeah, it is getting maintenance, yeah.
What you sometimes see as well is you see the planes coming in and take off from the city airport on that side.
It's amazing being in this building. I often wonder to see how good of a view this place would be.
Grand Central Hotel.
Oh, the Grand Central.
Yes. So you see the building just to the left of that?
How do you zoom in? Oh yeah, yeah.
You see the building just to the left of it?
Oh yes.
With the lights on it?
Oh, I think I do, yeah.
Yes, that's the Ewart building. So
Oh.
we run that building. That's the CBRE building. So I'm sure if you ever wanted to go and have a visit in there.
About CBR the other day about retail something.
I don't remember.
Something to do with. You mentioned those letters to me about something.
This is an impressive view though, I love it. We'll have a look over here now and see what the view's like over here. Oh yes. Here's the view over towards where the Odyssey and all is. You can see over to the cranes. Wow, this is amazing. This is awesome. Oh, there's the construction side as well, you can see. And there's the Titanic museum. The cruise ship getting maintenance done to it.
Can I get a photo?
Yeah. There's the walk as well as the new.
I love this view.
I couldn't even go down there without getting to
Look down here, see it.
This is how high up we are.
The cameras are picking it up.
fireworks for.
Oh, totally.
I don't need the fireworks, we're still running though.
No.
Oh, you can see the construction over there as well.
Yes, you can,
Yep.
yep. Oh, got a new crane up, it looks
We're
like.
able to see IKEA as well, but we can't really get a good look at the airport.
Oh, where's IKEA? Oh, yeah, yeah, I see it. Let me see if I can zoom into it. I can't seem to pick it up on my camera. Oh, wait, I can. There's IKEA over there. This is just something else. I just went over it.
Imagine trying to do your work up here.
You're just wanting to look out the window all the time. No, that would be me anyway. For the train enthusiast, there's another one there. What is it? No, I tripped over something.
So that's like a big leisure area then?
Yes, so it's going to be a public park, so anybody can come in and use it.
That's going to be nice.
Yeah, a little green
hopefully
space in the middle of all the buildings.
Try and do like little events in it, like little music events and things.
Oh my goodness.
Nice.
That'd be a really good thing to have.
So that used to all be car park.
And then that car park over there is City Quays 5, could be.
City Keys 5 is going to be there. Next to the car park. The one there. It's going to be City Keys 5.
You get a good view, wouldn't you, just?
Green space in the middle of all the buildings.
I do like little events in it, like little music events and things.
Oh
like
my
that
goodness.
too.
Nice.
That'd be really good. I think to have.
So that used to all be car park. All
And then
concrete
that car park over there is City Quays 5, could be.
City Keys 5 is going to be there. Yep, right next to the car park. The one there. It's going to be City Keys 5. And then over here. Right there is going to be City Keys 4, which will be pretty exciting to see. Both are still going through the planning and stuff at the moment. There hasn't been any approval or anything on them yet. And I do not know anything further, so yeah.
That's quite reassuring.
We head into the 15th floor.
Okay, now we head up to the 15th floor.
There's the lift.
And that's still open for us.
1,600 kilograms and 21 persons installed in 2020.
So if you press and hold that,
Yep.
And 15? What are you doing?
no, you need to hold it a wee bit longer until those doors close over it. That's you. So you see this here? This is the video camera.
Oh yeah, so if you're calling someone that...
Yeah, and then their
Through
image
the-
will come up
Oh,
on the
yes,
screen,
yes.
and then they can talk to you and keep
Wow.
you nice. Okay, do you want to go out this way?
Oh, let's do it here.
This is so confusing.
So this is Invest Tech, so that's their view.
Oh yeah?
Oh, wow.
It does, yeah.
Oh, look at that. I'm not pressing anything, just looking.
Check that out.
So again, you need your security pass to operate the call points.
Well, you gotta look out to the harbour from here.
Yep.
I'm sure. You taking a video?
Sorry. Jokes.
Oh.
You're still recording?
Sorry.
It's okay.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, that's what I was kind of worried about as well.
There's an outfit. On the runway, you can see
Oh,
it.
it's on the runway. Oh, I see it, I see it.
Do
I see it.
you see it, Joseph?
There's a video.
I'm not seeing.
Look at over here. See the two small yellow planes?
Oh, yeah.
There's like facing each other.
Yeah.
There's a plane just down on the
Oh, yeah, I see it.
So I'll show you.
I see it
No,
now.
but unless you zoom in, you can't see it on your
This
video.
thing's, there we go.
Focus camera.
Oh, yeah, there's the plane.
It looks like an A320.
Has it just landed?
No, it's taxiing. It's about to take off.
Sorry, it's one of the plane.
What be with your new sex, sorry. Oh, I'm just realised I'm pointing away from it. Where did it go?
It, that building's
Just
blocking
in
it.
behind the building.
Okay.
There it is.
See, it's about to take off.
Oh, yeah, see it. There it goes.
Oh, it's going right over the law.
Yep.
That's a British Airways plane.
That's I think it's an A320.
There it goes.
Yep.
Or is that easy?
No, that's BA.
My eyesight's too small to it these days.
Oh, that was amazing to see.
Is a wee boat coming in the Victoria Channel?
Oh, there's a boat. Oh, yes, yeah. So many things to see from here.
I know.
That's a good cruise ship pic.
It is, isn't it?
For your cruise ship watch page.
I'll try and zoom into the cruise ship myself and see it. There it is.
There's the A319. You can 320. I keep calling it 319 for some reason. You can just miss it.
Peaceful up there.
Go. So right, if you remember, you were on the 14th floor and what it looked like.
Yeah.
And this is the finished product. So this is Joe and this is
Hello,
Paris.
folks. Pleased to meet you. How are you? You're very welcome. Good to see you. Oh, not at all. My pleasure.
To see a nice finished floor, you see
One that's all.
This is what the finished floor looks like.
which was unfinished, and this is the magic that you do.
This is what you could have won.
Yes.
This is really cool, I like it.
I love it too.
Yeah. Well, come on down this way.
Sure.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thanks very much.
Leave yourselves at home.
Thank you. What do you think, Francis?
I really like it.
You thought that you could do that?
All the stuff we had downstairs and then turning into something like this is pretty cool.
Boardrooms, and then they have
There's more views there.
a little area for them. They can sit in these pods if they wish.
I love the names of all the names.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Got the
Lovely
little-
seats.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Look, Joseph.
Oh wow.
You can sit in there.
You want to have a grab a seat and take a photo of yourself in the pod?
Yes, that's actually really cute.
Have one there for you.
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I'll just sit and enjoy the view like.
Still have to move.
I know.
Check this out.
Isn't that amazing?
What can you see with the binoculars?
You've got binoculars and everything. Now you're not going to miss. That's it.
Oh my god, this is awesome.
I don't think you do much work up here, to be honest. I think you just sit here.
It's very chill. I love it.
There's one down there, friends. It's facing the other way. You see?
Oh yeah, let's check that out.
These are lovely, aren't they?
They probably both about 5 grand.
Sure they do.
Wow. This is really nice.
It really is. Like, even if you can't hear anything I say at all.
Would you like to be trying to clean my
This
room?
is when I was just sitting in.
Oh my god.
They may have to hang off the outside of the building and abseil down to clean the window.
I'd
Wow.
be so scared doing that.
Yes.
Do you remember we watched the thing from New York and they have like self-cleaning? Things nice coming across your windows every couple of days.
Oh, yeah?
To clean.
We're trying to find those and source something
We
like that
watched
because
one of those.
when I have to come in and they're hanging in there.
Sure, yeah. My friend says this is a big plain spot place.
Oh, totally.
You would be happy here.
This would be amazing. Yeah. Love it.
So it probably takes about 8 months to go from what you've seen on the floor below
Really?
to this.
That's unbelievable.
They're all much like
It's beautiful, the finishes on there, isn't it?
This is stuff you can do. The thing that we seen downstairs to something like this.
That's great. It's very complicated.
Just feels lovely. So it's that, but it just feels.
It's how it works.
The colours is the one. You want to move or you stay?
I'll move.
You don't want to move?
I'm not just enjoying the view.
This is Joseph Street, just built since, or anything like that, he built since.
Oh, right, yes.
There's like 2,700 panes of glass on this building, which is insane.
Is it warm somewhere? Would it be very warm up here?
No, it's special glass, so it's supposed to keep heat in and keep like,
Oh, wow.
out. So,
So you've got
it-
mountains somewhere.
No.
We're doing it a few days ago, then.
So yeah, it like insulates the building.
heat we have.
Exactly. And everybody complains about it.
Yeah.
That is so true. So like the glass actually insulates the building. That is amazing.
This, since it was a hole in the ground, and this is the finished product.
Yep, there's that's pretty cool. That.
See how you're covered in the metal. Word. Structure bars. things
Yeah.
here, all the way through.
That is amazing. You see the floor we're on, and that's the floor that we were
Can you
just.
believe you're in it?
Oh, I love it being in here.
I'll take my phone.
Yeah.
You think it's lovely?
I love this place, yeah. Such a modern building.
It's the quietness of it.
I think that was the Vice Assurance right past that one. With a special guest waiting for you down here. Very special guest. Give him a grand entrance.
Oh my goodness.
You know, I said we could bring a rhinoceros up in the lifts. Well, we brought a zebra instead.
Oh, jeepers. You weren't expecting that, were you?
So we're really filming here as well.
Yes, yes, sir. Okay.
He's looking out the window. I need to know his name.
Goliath. He's known as Goliath.
That is amazing.
Wow.
I love how he's looking out the window.
I think that was probably the most difficult thing.
Everyone. Everyone.
And that the messages on these week screens get changed like once a week. So you'll get different, you'll get news bulletins and stuff like that put through to you. Okay.
Ready, sweetheart?
Yeah, so we'll go around the cab as we were.
You got to be back.
Yeah.
Do you want me to carry it for you?
Yeah. What does this smell like? It smells like deep from
It does, it has that lovely smell.
Yeah, especially that. It smells like the shop.
Right, Joseph, be careful as we step.
Do you want to go out onto the balcony?
Oh, yes, yes. Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah, that'd be awesome, thank you.
I just have to find the right key. How much do you want to bet it's the last key I use? Oh, look at that.
Never mind.
It's a bit cold out here now.
Oh, thank you. Wow, we're on the balcony.
We're on the balcony of City Keys Free.
Wow.
This is amazing.
This is honestly so cool.
In the summertime we'll have furniture out here and then staff that work out come out and have their lunches and stuff.
Oh, that's really cool.
Or we could hold parties and things like that out here. Goliath looking out.
Oh my god, this is absolutely amazing.
The only thing in the summertime when we do this is the seagulls don't like us.
What is it?
Make friends with the seagulls.
I've already made friends with a flock of pigeons, so.
Okay, I just.
You want to take a video?
Pigeons and seagulls don't
You
like
take
each
the
other,
video
do
as
they?
well.
Wow.
Pretty cool. Careful the step. Thanks. Okay.
We're on the balcony of City Keys Free. This is amazing.
So in the summertime we'll have furniture out here and then the staff that work
Sunbathing
out
area?
come out and have their lunches and stuff.
That's amazing, isn't
Or we
it?
can hold parties and things like that.
Look, Joseph, there's the zebra.
There's Goliath looking out.
Oh my god, this is absolutely amazing.
The only thing in the summertime when we do this is the seagulls don't like us.
Oh. You have to start feeding them, they'll be your friends. It's Francis and Joseph.
What is it?
You have to make friends with the seagulls.
I've already made friends.
Are you
with
cold? Are you alright?
I'm okay, alright, I just.
Do you want to take a video or will I do it?
Seagulls don't
Can you
like
take
each
the video
other,
as well?
do
I want to
they?
hold the phone.
The seagulls round here.
I'm
bully
gonna
the
enjoy
pigeons.
myself.
Sort of a similar story for my ones, but all like they don't really mind each other.
I think this is one of the most large buildings I've been in quite a bit.
Yeah, it's really good, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's our wee walk that we always do.
Yep.
So we pick up the noise now. The 11th floor has a very small private balcony.
All right.
You literally can fit like 6 people on it. Well, this is ours. So this is the whole building. So that area in there will be converted. That'll be like a casual dining area. So people can just lunch.
This is all just gonna be a dining area. This is actually really. I still can't believe I'm actually standing in this building. This is like. I've been following this for so long. How do you actually be here? This is so cool. So that's the construction for the waft lines in the white, and that's the Hamilton Dock Hotel in the yellow. There's another for the train enthusiasts. There's an Enterprise train there. We're about to head back inside to another floor. Here's the stairs.
So if you ever wanted to go up and down the stairs and get a bit of a cardiovascular workout,
Yeah, you'll be able to do that here.
I did it once, I'm not doing it again.
Look at that drop. Oh my god.
Oh my goodness, all the way down.
Now we look.
That is so scary.
Oh wow. There's so many of them.
That's just have to be on an emergency with another side.
Oh.
Wow.
I'm sure you don't really want to see bathrooms.
Yes, you do.
I'm okay.
You sure?
Yeah.
Look at the lift from here.
Actually, I'm kind of curious. I went from here
This
too.
is the bathrooms.
Hotel won't kill you.
Yeah.
That's all coming. See, that one up there, freshener up there.
Really?
That smells all coming from that.
Really? Wow. Oh, it's the air freshener there.
The little flavors.
Wow.
It's very potent.
It's strong. What do you think?
I hope they're clean.
I'm sure it's business spotless.
Amazing.
The men's are-
What floor are we headed to?
So we just go down to the zero, the
Sure.
ninth floor.
What an awesome tour that was. I
Oh,
loved
to
that.
feel how fast it
Now,
is.
as our resident lift experts, do you think you're getting 21 people in this lift?
I do not think so.
I do not think so either. Just, or it's
I don't think I'd like
21
to
very
try.
small people.
That's fast.
Yeah. Wow, my ears are popping.
Oh, mine too.
There's one of the
That's
fastest
you.
lifts.
It tells you on the ground floor.
Oh, my ears too.
Yeah. And look, there's an RV indicator on the side as well.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, tell me what
Oh,
you're going
right
to.
this way.
I'm just listening.
Oops. Do you want me to get the doors closing, Francis, or?
I don't think they'll want to close unless you press the button.
Oh, look at this.
Walking towards the glass.
Okay.
That'll open for you.
Well, that's cool.
Let you out.
You're laughing at me getting stuck.
Oh, I'm awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. This was amazing. So this is the City Quays complex. There's the City Quays 3 building. The size of it from here is crazy. There's the AC Marriott hotel that we filmed at a while ago from the ground, and this is also the car park as well that we also filmed in a while ago. Check out those videos if you haven't done so. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and that's it.